Why is Trump sending 5,000 troops to Poland? May 2026. Why is Trump sending 5,000 troops to Poland amid the Ukraine-Russia war? This sudden military move could reshape NATO's strategy and increase tensions in Europe right now. In a surprising reversal, President Donald Trump announced the deployment of 5,000 U.S. troops to Poland just a week after the Pentagon canceled a previously planned deployment of 4,000 troops to Central Europe. This move signals a sudden shift in America's military posture amid the ongoing Ukraine-Russia war, raising questions about Washington's commitment to NATO and its allies in Europe. The decision stunned Polish leaders, as Poland is one of America's closest European partners. President Trump described the previous cancellation of troop deployments as reprehensible and an embarrassment to our country. He emphasized that the strengthened U.S.-Poland relationship is vital amid the conflict with Russia. This public criticism of his own Defense Department's earlier decision adds confusion to the U.S. military strategy in Europe and highlights the unpredictable nature of current U.S. foreign policy. As U.S. troops move into Poland, NATO forces are also on high alert. Jets were scrambled over the Baltics, a region that remains on edge due to Russian aggression. These military responses show heightened readiness across NATO countries as the Ukraine-Russia war continues to destabilize the region. The deployment to Poland further signals NATO's commitment to Eastern European security, even as questions emerge about the U.S.'s long-term force posture. In parallel to NATO's defensive moves, Russian defense systems reportedly worked to repel drone attacks over Moscow and the nearby Yaroslavl region in the early hours of today. This ongoing conflict activity underscores the fragile and dangerous situation in the region, with Russia actively defending its territory while NATO strengthens its eastern flank. Poland, one of the U.S.'s staunchest allies in Europe, was caught off guard by the rapid changes in U.S. troop deployment plans. While strengthened U.S.-Poland military ties offer some security reassurance, the confusion and abrupt policy shifts create uncertainty about future commitments. For Europe, this means a tense atmosphere as countries brace for possible further escalations in the Ukraine-Russia conflict. This sudden deployment of 5,000 troops to Poland suggests the U.S. is recalibrating its military approach in Europe amid the volatile Ukraine-Russia war. With NATO jets scrambled and Russian defenses active, the coming weeks could see further shifts in military postures and alliances. Staying informed is critical as these decisions directly affect global security and regional stability. What this means for you is that the Ukraine-Russia conflict is intensifying with real consequences for global security. The U.S. sending 5,000 troops to Poland signals a new chapter in NATO's response and could affect international relations and even local economies. Stay tuned and subscribe to Daily Q&A for the latest updates you need to know.